Up first, it was a busy night for investigators in the St. Catharines South Police Division who were called to 3 murder scenes. That, in addition to another murder earlier in the day. Krista Campbell has the details.
A bloody Friday in St. Catherine, keeping police busy first in Spanish Town, then Portmore, Old Harbour, and finally at the toll booth of the Edward Seaga Highway. 24-year-old Shireen Stevenson of Fraser's Content in Spanish Town was the first victim. She was in a bar and gaming lounge her mother operated at Royal Plaza on St. John's Road when 2 men drove up on a bike about 11 o'clock in the morning. TVJ News understands one of the men went in asking for her. He ordered a drink, went outside, and returned, reportedly shooting her in the face. She died on the spot while her attacker reportedly escaped in a waiting motor car. Family and neighbors are shocked at the incident, noting Ms. Stevenson had a good reputation in the community. Gunmen would next strike in the Portmore community of Nagohead, which has been on the police's radar because of a series of violent incidents in recent time.
We recognize that a lot of the conflicts on the ground, is being influenced by even players that are overseas. And it is something that is worrying to us.
Friday's incident happened about 7:30 in the night. A 66-year-old vendor of Cassano Drive was fatally shot by masked men who entered the community firing at residents. The vendor died at hospital.
We are pretty positive that we're going to get a breakthrough into this latest incident. We really condemn this kind of attack and the continuous attack on our females in the general society. We're not going to let up on this one. We're going to be doing our best to see how soon we can bring some resolve and bring back some comfort to the members of this community.
Gunmen would strike again, this time shooting a couple in the Claremont housing scheme of Old Harbour about 9 o'clock Friday night. 59-year-old plumber Patrick Pearson succumbed to his injuries. Police say he was chased and shot by men in a Toyota Probox shortly after the couple arrived home. The final incident ended here at the Caymanas exit of the Edward Seaga Highway. Police say sometime after 10 o'clock, a motorist stopped a Jamaica Defence Force JDF vehicle on the highway after seeing 2 men throw a body from a vehicle.
The JDF members were further supported by an off-duty police officer. We managed to apprehend those 2 men. A revolver was taken from them. The team went back about 200 meters up the road to search the area, and we have since found the bodies.
The unidentified male, who sported an afro hairstyle, is believed to be in his late 20s and 5 feet 6 inches tall. He was dressed in a burgundy t-shirt, grey shorts, and a pair of black Clark's shoes. The police are commending the motorist for helping them catch those responsible. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.